वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Success never comes in a day. It comes with time and hard work. BPE an example of that. Let's take a look how BPE changed and achieved in 2 decades. Today, BPE has more than 250 employees.
A lot of enjoyment.
Women empowerment.
Flexibility and safety.
BP is the best place for working.
For me, BP is a passion.
BP is for me a family.
In his business landscape, employees are treated with respect, paid rightfully, trust and be trusted by the people they work with. Job security and to have opportunities to use their skills and abilities in their work. BPE employed more women in management role up to 28%. Diversity is key to BPE. It is the heart of sustainable growth. Last 20 years, diversity and inclusion is a company's vision, strategies, and practices to support a diverse workplace.
I have been a part of Team BPE for last 12 years. I have seen this organization going from around 20 crores to around 200 crores.
हमारे यहाँ 250 लोगों की स्ट्रेंथ है, जिसमें से बहुत सारे लोग तो आपको ऐसे मिलेंगे जो कि कम से कम 10 या 15 साल से इस कंपनी से जुड़े हुए हैं। उसके पीछे रीज़न उनका ट्रस्ट है इस कंपनी पे, जो कि इस कंपनी ने कभी भी ब्रेक नहीं होने दिया।
I have joined BP in 2011. मुझे यहाँ 9 साल हो चुके हैं and BP is like more than a family to me.
Over the 2 decades, BPE has become one of the leading Indian multinational engaged in providing end-to-end strategic power solutions for most critical applications. More than 2 decades of manufacturing experience, innovation, and deep knowledge of energy conversion help BPE to understand new and better ways of delivering clean and reliable power solutions. It provides a complete suite of power management solutions, including uninterruptible power supplies (UPSs) from 600 VA to 1000 kVA, customized smart track solutions, and solar inverters. BPE has 3 factories of 20,000 square feet of manufacturing facility in Noida and Greater Noida. It has in-house strong R&D and technical teams working with a vision of growing business revenue from 200 crores to 500 crores in the coming years. With a dedicated team, it offers a unique combination of best-in-class after-sales services and 24/7 customer support. Elite product certification demonstrate BPE commitment to quality and safety.
We at BPE are fully responsible to provide 100% reliable and very latest technology products to the customers.
UPSs provides with the highest level of energy efficiency, more than 95%. It focused on green UPS design, energy savings technology. BPE, being an Indian local manufacturer, aim in achieving sustainable development goals.
We welcome a lot of government initiatives for this kind of manufacturing process, technical know-how, tie-ups, and we wanted to make this company a big growth with a Make in India tag.
It has strategically expanded by providing power solutions for market segments in IT, industrial, healthcare, telecom, education, data center, banking and financial institutions. It has been supplying UPS to various multi-crore large projects all across domestic and international markets since 20 years. To name a few clients: Commonwealth Games in Delhi, Indian Railways, Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO, Malacca State Administration, Malaysia, Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, State Bank of India, Eco-Essential Foods Corporation Philippines, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC, AIIMS Hospital, Indian Army and many more. Over the period, BPE expanded footprints in global markets like Singapore, Philippines, UAE, Turkey, Malaysia, across the globe and become even more closer to their customers.
Right now, we are number one domestic brand in India. We also sell more and more countries in global market, including Southeast Asia countries, Middle East, and African countries. I also want to say thank you to our customers. Because of your trust and partnership, we can grow all together. Today is an important day for BPE. Let's celebrate and have another 20 years together.
It has more than 1 lakh installation base, 300 plus channel partners, national distributor Ingram Micro and Iris Computers.
Our partners are very happy with us because this company is giving 100% protection to our distributors, to our channel partners. We say, loss hamara, profit tumhara.
Managing Director Mr. Amitanshu Satpathy, his 20 years entrepreneur journey has been more of an incredible personal growth as well as business growth. He inspired his team to reach organizational goals. It is important to balance vision and action.
We have faced challenges. We worked hard, seen lot of opportunities. We had our highs and lows, but we are happy because we all are together.
Lots of changes in the past decade, but something remains the same: our values. Our values for customers, partners, innovation, people continue to guide us, bring trust in an increasingly connected world.
Years of our journey, we wanted to focus on manufacturing capabilities, and also that is the reason we have taken a lot of people in and technology to adopt and see that we are successful in those lines as well.
The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.
Really, time flies.
20 years of trust, leadership and success. I take this opportunity to thank whole of my BP family. Let us keep growing.
We are really looking forward to many more years of celebration. Thank you.